Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm at Brothers Motors, seeing what he got going on over here. I had to do some troubleshooting on some things. A lot of cars out here, man. They having problems with. I don't know what's up with this Toyota. There's a Jeep right there. What's this? A Sentra. There's a Liberty over there. Okay. A lot of things he got going on. It's getting ready to rain, but this Charger one stood out. Okay, he told me the customer want to know, or they want to get the Hemi installed in this thing. Now, if you look at this, look at it real good, guys. Without knowing what's under the hood, you would think that has a powerful Hemi engine in it, right? No. What are the other options for this year Charger? It's likely a 3.5 or even a 2.7, the lowest line engine that was installed in the Dodge Charger. All right, so, but I'm not sure what to tell him because it depends on the configuration. A lot of factors go into place, guys, when you start swapping out hard parts like engine and transmission into the same style body style. You start dealing with a wire harness, you start dealing with the computer, because the computer is factored in. Let's say if this is a V6, that PCM is already programmed to operate 6 cylinders, not 8, which is what the Hemi is, a V8. But in order to put a Hemi in here, there has to be no Hemi in here already. So without further ado, let's see exactly what's under here. Man, this looks like it's a powerful engine under here. This has a whoa. Okay, it's a 2.7, guys. So this is even lower than the 3.5. Okay, now if it's a 2.7, it likely has a 42 RE transmission in it. Could have a nag. It can go either way, a nag or 42, but low line engine likely gonna get the low line transmission, which at the time low line transmission was 42 RE or RLE. But guys, let me say this like this. It is, the work wise, it's not that difficult. I mean, everybody know how to pull an engine out. Well, I ain't gonna say everybody, but it's fairly, it can be done. Yanking the engine out, going in with another engine of the same kind is fairly easy. Now, it's even, I mean, it's just as easy to put a different kind of engine in because this is Hemi is an option on this car. Obviously, the frame is designed to hold a Hemi. Okay, now, like I say, it's 3 different engine options on a car like this: the 3.5, the Hemi, and the 2.7, which is what this is. Ooh, take a look at this. All right, y'all see that? I hope this ain't why they think. This is a little blue EGR tube seal that go now. People always tend to misdiagnose and get it wrong and all that good stuff, but it can be done, guys. It's just how much you want to put into it to do it. So we're gonna talk about that when I get back. Guys, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I will be right back. All right, guys, we're discussing what it would take to swap out this 2.7 with a Hemi. Okay, now, can it be done? Absolutely. Should it be done or should you do it? That's up for debate. Okay. Like I said before, the computer, which is right here in the PCM, this computer is designed to operate a 6-cylinder engine. The Hemi is a V8, so you will need to. In some cases, you can flash this to. It's all about programs with these computers nowadays, guys. So if you can erase the program out of it and go back in with new programming, if your scan tool will allow it, then yeah, you can pull that off. But a Hemi, I think, is designed to be used with the nag transmission. All right. The Hemi, I think, was a little too powerful for that 42 RLE. Now, I've seen some Hemi tag team with the nag transmission, but I have yet to see a Hemi tag team with a 42 RE transmission. In fact, the nag transmission has its own separate module. It's not, the program is not built in here. Nag has its own module called TCM, but it's stored or housed under the steering column. Okay, so you start getting into configuration when you start talking about things like that, but it is doable. It's just how much you want to put into doing it. Now, I have a better suggestion, guys. If you thought about this, if you ever thought about this, because what is this? We're talking about a 06, 07. Guys, these cars are super cheap, okay? You can buy a Charger with a Hemi in it. Now, to get it dirt cheap, it's likely going to have some problems. But think about this for a second. If you want, because this is like a 06, 05, 07 model, you can get, what was I talking about? You can get a Charger with a Hemi in it already, guys. If it has problem, you simply get the problems fixed. Now, naturally, in order to get it dirt cheap, it's going to have problems to it. So, but my point is, before you go spending all this money to have this 2.7 removed and a Hemi installed, and all the wiring harness and all the scan tools and all the modules, and install a TCM, because remember, a TCM, that it requires the wiring harness to go to the TCM, and it's housed under the steering wheel. That's a lot, guys. This is a better idea for you. Get you a Charger with the Hemi in it, because they are dirt cheap now. I saw one for $2,200 the other day. Only reason I didn't get it because I ain't got nowhere to put it. Y'all know I have cars stored everywhere, hiding everywhere, just hidden everywhere, and I'm getting into trouble. So my house, I can't bring stuff to my house like that. I have too many cars at my house, but it's just a better option, man. You don't have to go through all this, guys. Unless you just in love with your body already. See, it's a spoiler on the rear of that. And of course, you have the hood thing on the top and the wheels. But all this can be transferred to your new Charger with a Hemi already in it. Thing about the Hemis on the older model cars, if they've overheated, if the previous owner overheated it any, you could have some problems, guys, because you know those have aluminum cylinder heads. And when they expand, the valve seats can drop. A whole another monster, guys. But it's up to you if you want to get in, go through all that. I'm just giving you a better option. Okay, it's nothing spectacular. I don't want to belittle anybody's car, but there's nothing spectacular about this. So why would you go through all the trouble of getting a Hemi put in? Because you can get one of those put in. You can get a spoiler put on it. Going this route is a lot. This is the aftermarket oil filter adapter housing, which means it overheated once. I don't know if anything wrong with the engine. I just think he want more power or more torque or more. He want a reason to open his hood. Some people at the car show, they keep their hood down because they have baby engines in their cars. Okay, and they don't like that. So that's my take on it, guys. Go with it the way you feel, or the way you take it for what it's worth. It is too much trouble. I'd say no. I'd say don't. Okay, so all right, so let me go. I'm gonna go around this way. See what's going on. Let's go take a walk. Brother's motor, he's over there working, man. I'm waiting on the customer to get this tune-up done. So look at this Grand Cherokee, Jeep Liberty. He's supposed to meet me up front. Here goes some more. Let me turn this camera around. There goes some more. I don't know if these problem cars or what. I don't know what they're doing to these. Might not be my business. What the hell? But there's quite a few. It could be customer cars. You know. That look like a Jeep Grand Cherokee, maybe an 08 model. Okay. I got some import cars over here. I can't name out these cars the way I used to. I used to can look at the rear end and automatically tell what they is, but I'm having a hard time to do that. I can recognize a Chrysler or Jeep, but that's a Pacifica. I wonder why it's there. He said some of these cars come here to die. Diagnostics. So yeah, every now and then I had to come over here and help Buddy out on some diagnostic tree. Is that a word? Diagnostic. All right, let me see.